Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Epic 7 application on your mobile device. To download the Epic 7 game on your mobile device, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. After you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Epic 7. Now look for this application and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. Follow through the on-screen instructions and then your game will start downloading. Once it is done, tap on Open and you can start playing the game. So that's how you easily download Epic 7 right on your mobile device and start enjoying the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.